Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor 4x4 and today I have for you the 2022 Toyota Hilux Invincible X model. Now this one here is a 5-seater crew cab pickup truck and it does come to you with just over 20,000 miles on the clock. Now as well as that, this does also come with heated front seats, cruise control, hands-free cooling, as well as voice assist, satellite navigation, reversing camera, as well as Bluetooth connectivity. And just to show you the back 3 seats as well, there is also, if we pop this down in the middle just here, armrest, 2 cup holders, extra little bit of comfort for the rear passengers, as well as in here we do have a mains power socket. Now just to show you the load area at the back, it does come with a cover. Right now I've got it retracted all the way back just to show you now, but as you can see this does just nicely come down here, giving you plenty of storage space in the back here as well. Now if you would like to find out more about this Toyota Hilux Invincible X, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk or anchorcars.co.uk. Both are linked in the description below if you're watching this on YouTube. If not, you can always head over to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to discover more about this and many more of our pickup trucks. And now is the time to buy, because after April, they will lose their benefit in kind tax rate, and these will be considered as cars, meaning you'll have to pay much more VAT if you are a commercial buyer.